Have you ever noticed that you can be surrounded by people, yet still feel a kind of loneliness you can't explain? I used to think loneliness was only about having no one to talk to, but recently, I learned that sometimes what we're actually missing is physical connection. I didn't realize how much physical touch mattered until I went weeks without it. No hugs, no comforting hand on my shoulder, no warm closeness of another person. At first, I told myself I was fine, but slowly something began to shift. My energy dropped, my mood felt heavier, and I felt a quiet emptiness I couldn't put into words. Then I learned something that surprised me. Physical touch isn't just emotional, it's biological. It lowers stress, calms the nervous system, and releases oxytocin, the hormone that helps us feel bonded and safe. And when we go too long without it, the body feels it. We become more anxious, more disconnected, and sometimes even detached from life. And what matters most isn't romantic touch. It's simple human contact. A warm hug, a squeeze on the hand, a reassuring arm around your back. These tiny gestures tell the brain something powerful. You're safe. You belong. But many adults go months or years without meaningful touch. Sometimes because of isolation, sometimes because of heartbreak, sometimes because life just changed and they didn't notice how touch slowly faded away. If that's you, there are gentle ways to respond to this need, ways backed by research. Start by reconnecting with touch in small, safe forms. A long hug with a close friend or family member, a comforting massage, holding hands with someone you trust. Even cuddling a pet can trigger some of the same calming chemicals in the brain. If you don't have people around you, try grounding practices that give your body a sense of physical reassurance. Weighted blankets, warm baths, self-soothing touch like placing your hand over your heart or gently rubbing your own arms. It may feel simple, but your nervous system responds to these cues. And as you build new connections, allow yourself to be open to safe, healthy touch again. You don't need to force it. You don't need to rush it. Just remember that wanting warmth, closeness, and physical reassurance doesn't make you weak. It makes you human. So if you've been feeling a loneliness you can't quite explain, maybe it's not about people disappearing from your life. Maybe your body simply misses being held. Maybe your heart is asking for connection in its most basic form, and you're not alone in that. Not at all. Find your spark. Find your people.